Bayti Real Estate is delighted to present this ready-to-move-in furnished office space in One Lake Plaza, located in Jumeirah Lake Towers. At 1,075 square foot, it comes with 3 glass partitions, an attached pantry and toilet. It is located close to the metro station, and with Shakeside Road views and lake views, this is the perfect office space for your business. The complex offers a variety of offices with excellent facilities to ensure a comfortable working environment. To arrange a viewing, please contact me on the details provided in the description.